Hey everyone, this is Sultan, and in this video I'll show you how you can use the hyperlink feature of Microsoft Excel to link from one field to another, or from one field to a field in another sheet in the same file. So let's get started. As you can see, I've inputted 3 texts over here: test link 1, test link 2, test link 3, and I've inputted some extra text here, and in sheet 2 I have 2 more texts: test 2, test 3. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this up so that when I click on test link 1, this selector will move to this one, which is test 1. You can see when I'm clicking somewhere it's being selected, right? So when I'll click on test link 1, this selector will select test 1. When I will click on test link 2, it will take me to sheet 2 and it will select this test 2. And when I'll click on test link 3, it will take me to sheet 2 and click on test link 3. Okay, so now let me show you how to do that. So now select test link 1 and right click on it and choose hyperlink at the very bottom. Alright, so this window will open up. Here choose this tab, place in this document. Okay, now first you have to choose which sheet you want this to take you on. So it will be on sheet 1, so I'll choose sheet 1. And for the cell where this is gonna be, so this is basically the address of the cell. So you can see it's gonna be this cell or this field where I want the selector to go to. So this is in G3, so here I'll have to name it G3, and I'll choose sheet 1 and I'll go for OK. Now let me show you. If I click on test link 1, it's going to take me to test 1. Okay, now for test link 2, I want this to take me to sheet 2 in test 2. So first you have to notice what's the address of this cell or this field, and this is B3. Okay, so go back to sheet 1, right click on test link 2 and click on hyperlink, and here make sure you're in place in this document tab. Here first write the address. So what we saw is it was in B3, so I'll write B3 and I'll choose sheet 2. Okay, now if I click on OK, you'll see it's hyperlinked. Now let me click on this, and there you go, it took me to sheet 2 and it highlighted test 2. Now I will go back to sheet 1 and I want to click on this. It will take me to test 3. Okay, so now let me see the address of test 3. It's F3. Okay, so I'll go back to sheet 1, right click on test link 3, click on hyperlink. Here on the place in this document tab, I'll first write F3, which is the address of test 3, and I'll choose sheet 2 here and press OK, and it's hyperlinked. So if I click on this, it's taking me to sheet 2 and it's highlighting test 3. Okay, so that's how simple it is to use the hyperlink feature in Microsoft Excel to link from one field to another within the same Excel sheet, or link from one field to another in a different sheet within the same Excel file. Now what if you want to change the hyperlink that you already assigned? Okay, so let's say I'm gonna write test 4 here, and I want to change this hyperlink into test 4. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll right click on this and I'll choose edit hyperlink, and you see I have the option to choose the field again. So for this one, the address is G6, so I'll first write G6, and this is in sheet 1, so I'll choose sheet 1 and press OK. Right, now you see it became blue, which means it has a new hyperlink now. If I click on this, it's going to select test 4. Okay, so that's how you edit a hyperlink. And if you want to remove a hyperlink within a sheet, you just right click on it and choose remove hyperlink, and there you go. Now this is no longer linked. See, so that's how simple it is to use the hyperlink feature within the same Excel sheet. So the usefulness of this feature is basically when you maintain accounts using Microsoft Excel, or if you have a lot of data in Microsoft Excel and you want to create a table of contents, so that time this can be very useful. Alright, so that's it for this video, and hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.